The world is a strange and fascinating place, and the realm of medical disorders is no exception. While many of us take our health for granted, countless individuals live with conditions that are not only challenging but also truly bizarre. Welcome to today's episode of Incredible Illnesses, where we explore some of the most unusual medical conditions known to science. Imagine having hiccups for years on end. Christopher Sands from the UK faced this very issue, hiccuping relentlessly for over 2 years. Despite trying every remedy from hypnotherapy to herbal treatments, nothing worked. After numerous tests revealed no clear cause, a Japanese MRI scan finally found a tiny tumor on his brainstem. Surgery eventually cured his hiccups but left him with some physical challenges. For Sands, it was a small price to pay for relief from an incessant and debilitating condition. Natalie Adler from Melbourne experiences a peculiar condition where her eyes involuntarily shut for up to 3 days at a time. Despite numerous doctor visits in both Australia and the US, the cause remains elusive. Dr. Dean Sestari suspects a psychological basis, with Adler's mind translating internal conflict into this physical ailment. Though she's undergone muscle removal and frequent Botox treatments, the condition persists, making her daily life a constant struggle. Persistent sexual arousal syndrome (PSA) is a condition that keeps women perpetually on the brink of orgasm, with little relief from sexual activity. This condition, officially recognized only recently, remains poorly understood. Many women suffer in silence, embarrassed by their symptoms. Research into PSA is still in its infancy, and those affected describe it as a curse rather than a blessing. Wim Hof, known as the Iceman, exhibits extraordinary resistance to cold. From swimming under the ice at the North Pole to climbing Mount Everest in only shorts, Hof's abilities seem almost supernatural. He attributes his feats to a special breathing technique, though his methods have sparked controversy and concern after some individuals suffered fatal accidents trying to replicate his stunts. Cold urticaria is a rare condition where exposure to cold triggers severe allergic reactions. For sufferers, even a brief contact with cold temperatures can cause painful welts or severe shock. Dr. Gerald Gleich from the University of Utah explains that this reaction is due to an inappropriate immune response. While no cure exists, antihistamines can help manage the symptoms. Rhett Lamb from the UK was unable to sleep for 4 years due to a rare condition called Chiari malformation, where the brain is pushed into the spinal column. After multiple misdiagnoses, surgeons finally performed a risky operation, which allowed Rhett to sleep again and significantly improved his quality of life. Foreign accent syndrome is a rare condition where individuals suddenly start speaking with a different accent after a brain injury or stroke. Rosemary Dorr from Canada developed an Eastern Canadian accent despite her Western Canadian roots. With only around 60 verified cases, this condition continues to puzzle doctors and remains without a known treatment. The world of medical conditions is as diverse as it is mysterious. While science continues to make strides, these rare disorders remind us of the body's complex and sometimes baffling nature. What do you think would be the most challenging condition to live with? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to check out our other videos for more incredible stories. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.